Ooh.
What happened?
It did some kind of dido. Like it got a hit. You sure that's not the frequency you get hits on?
No. Okay, your camera's blinking.
Alright, push the big button down.
Okay.
Or push the little button down, either way.